Welcome to the weekly Roundup report from Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we're at the Roswell location. Let's see what's going on. Come on. What we got going on this morning?
I'm doing a battery on this Ford right here. I noticed that this terminal's starting to get a little corroded, so I'm going to pour some hot water on it, kind of clean it up, and then press it onto the new terminal on the battery. And throw the airbox back in, and that's it.
Great. Caesar, what's going on with this one?
Yeah, this is the customer. This is the AC is not working. I check the pressure is empty. I need the bag restarted for the leak detector for the what happened with the compressor lines or whatever. Yes.
Checking for a leak.
Exactly. The AC leak.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Vincent, what you working on this morning?
Right now, I'm just doing an oil change, tire rotation on this 2016 Volkswagen. Right now, I'm just hitting it with an oil scan. We're gonna get this bad boy in the air, do a quick inspection, and yeah.
Go from there.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thanks for joining us today at the Roswell location. We'll see you next time.